Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. If y'all already seen the title, y'all know that I got some Fashion Nova heat in this video. If y'all end up enjoying this one, man, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. So much more fire content coming. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. Bro, I got this big ass box plus all this shit on top. Let's go ahead and get into these items. I'm not trying to be here till tomorrow. These are like more winterized items, so they're a little bigger, you feel me? Big ass heavy box. Let's get to it, bro. So we gonna pick straight off the top with this Outcast Classic T, size extra large if I'm not mistaken, and this is garment dyed, so it says I can't be wearing this shit right now. Low-key I kind of want to. This is fire, bro. It's like this baby blue color. I honestly am feeling this one. Let me know what y'all think of this tee. I feel like this one's actually hard. The baby blue tones on this is just everything for me. Second, we got the Nylon slim cargo pants. Let's go ahead and pull these out. I did get them in a size large. Hopefully these fit me good and not too big, but they do look fire. These cargo pockets are clean in the front. That toggle at the bottom is everything for me. I definitely feel like it adds more character to it. These actually feel like some good quality pants as well. Might be a little bit big, but I could pull these off, and I love the tone of green. Let me know what y'all think about these nylon slim cargo pants. Interested in seeing how these fit. We got the Oceanside Crewneck sweater. Like, come on, how could you not pick this shit up? I do think it's a little bit big. Yeah, this shit is fire, bro. Let me know what y'all think about this sweater. I feel like this one's actually hard. This baby blue color, so clean. This is the Oceanside Crewneck sweater. This baby blue tone on it, come on, bro, unbeatable. Like, let me know what y'all think about this one. The next item is the all-day skinny jeans. I got them in this blue color that I normally don't get. I feel like I don't have nothing like this, so I'm excited to get these in the wardrobe. Almost like a rugged color. I love the wash at the bottom. I'm interested in seeing what I can pull these off with. As y'all can see, it has the rips covered up. Might even fray the bottoms a little bit more. I feel like if it had the little ridges popping out, it would be more rustic. That's just something that I might do myself. I feel like these are clean. These were called the all-day skinny jeans. Last up, before we get inside the box, we got this big ass flight Sherpa jacket. It's in the olive colorway, size XL. Oh, this shit is thick, boy. This jacket isn't that bad. I do like the little puffy collar, you feel me? Pimpin' status, the little aviator vibe. Let me know what y'all think of this one. I believe they had it in a couple different colorways, like black. I feel like this in black would be slapping, but the materials ain't bad. I feel like you should size up on this. Like, if I would have got a large, this shit would not fit because the fur on the inside is thick, boy. Like, this shit thick as hell on the inside. Suited and booted fit going on. So now we about to go ahead and get into the box. This is where the more spiffy shit is, if I'm not mistaken. So we gonna start picking off the top. Right here we got these throwback baggy jeans. Let's see what's up with these. Size 34, honestly a little concerning, I'm not gonna lie. The patchwork on these is hard. I love the way that the bottom is frayed like that, and it does have that consistent pattern on the other side as well. These pants right here is fire. Fire in the booth, bro. Hopefully they still got them. The baggy jeans, I feel like this is a great entry point. These are size 34, so they're a little bit big on me. If you get your size, I feel like they shouldn't be too baggy. Like, definitely gonna be using these. Honestly, this next piece, y'all not even ready for this one, bro. This is the essential rib turtleneck. You heard it here first, folks. Yes, I copped the turtleneck, boy. I copped the turtleneck. It's lit. I told y'all, I'm not gonna be just wearing the same just tees no more. It's over for that. Listen, man, I haven't figured out my turtleneck vibe just yet, but just know we coming soon. Coming soon with the turtleneck vibes. I need to figure it out, you feel me? But it's cool. It's cool. I look like my body not even here, you feel me? Like, but yeah, man, this shit is fire. Let me know what y'all think about the essential rib turtleneck. Right here we got the Gotta Run long sleeve flannel. I honestly really love the pattern on this and just the colorway in general. Definitely a solid flannel to have in the collection. I'm not gonna lie, Fashion Nova has been surprising me with the materials on these items. I feel like they only get better and better. Like, this is a flannel that I am gonna keep in my collection probably forever. I feel like it's a staple. It has that navy feel on it. Pattern is a little bit different. different, has like a little twist to it, laid back with the sleeves open. I feel like this is hard. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Once again, this was the Gotta Run long sleeve flannel. This shit is hard. Right here we got the Cornell skinny jeans. I feel like you shouldn't be subjected to one style of fashion. Wear whatever the hell you want. I got some baggy jeans earlier. I got a fucking turtleneck, a flannel, and now I got some skinny jeans. Literally wear what you want. Size 34. Once again, an essential color. I feel like since I lost weight, I gotta cycle out some of my older pants with just some more staple, newer sized pants. And that's low-key what I did here. This is just like a light wash, and I do love it. Everyday skinny jean, you feel me? Just another color to add to the arsenal. So I told y'all, this video, I'm on some other shit. Right here, I got the Jackson car coat. This is basically pea coat vibes. I think this one's gonna fit me real nice, preppy a little bit sometimes, you feel me? Switch it up. Pull up in a suited and booted situation. Turtleneck vibe, little nice little chain, boom, nice little watch, you feel me? Put the hair to the side like they ain't never seen before, and then we good. Like, bro, this is fire. I feel like everybody needs this in their collection, like just an everyday staple. Stop playing with me, pop the collar on a coat real quick. You know what I'm saying? I can't be the only one. Just let me know how y'all feel about that. But yeah, the car coat is definitely a vibe. I might pick this up in the cream color next. Let's have a nice little cream one, nice little black one. We good. We good. This one's hard. Let me know what y'all think about the car coat. Lately, Fashion Nova has been doing this shacket series, and I got one of the shackets before. This is the Move Up plaid shacket. This is actually kind of fire, bro. Different, for real. I love the fact that this actually has some weight on it. I love that. I'm not gonna lie. It's like a flannel, little cozy jacket vibe. Size XL, but it does fit a little bit more like a oversized large, if that makes sense. I feel like this with a nice long sleeve under it. I don't know how to explain it, bro. Like a Sherpa flannel, if that makes sense. Literally, that is what it is. It has like these little baby blue stripes going across it. This little flannel shacket or whatever, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. Hopefully it looks nice with some cream, little brown, black hoodies. You do got these Next Flex zipper cargo pants. I got these in a medium, so this shit could go very bad. I feel like I should be able to pull these off. There's like these nylon pants, and they do have like this reflective stripe going down the pants. If you can see on the side, it has like this olive color, little slot in the back for the wallet, little cargo pocket action on the front, pockets on the side. These are definitely solid, and they have the toggle at the bottom. You know how I love the toggles at the bottom. Let me try these on. Yeah, these shits is hard, bro. I'm gonna definitely need these in another color, probably every color. We got 3 more items to go over. One of them being this Titan cargo puffer jacket. This one's about to look massive. I did get it in a size large, so hopefully it's not too big. This shit look fire, bro. This jacket is hard, bro. I love the all black. Y'all already know the vibes with the all black. The puffiness with the all black, bro. I feel like I low-key could have even got a medium. The large definitely leaves room for a little hoodie under it. This jacket is so hard. This is definitely just a me jacket. Those Arc'teryx, almost like fucking cone jackets. I think this is hard. It's like a more subtle version of that. Let me know what y'all think of this jacket in the comments below. Fashion Nova definitely killed it. Even the details of the little buttons. You got the cargo pocket on the side. Once again, this was the Titan cargo puffer jacket, size large, and it is a little bit oversized, but definitely clean. Right here we got possibly one of my favorites, the chunky knitted sweater in a cream color. There was honestly more knitted shit that I wanted on the website. I wouldn't mind picking up some preppy shit here and there. Not even preppy, you feel me? Just more casual shit, like let's go out to brunch type shit. Sometimes you need that stuff in your wardrobe. Come on, bro. The chunky knitted sweater, you can't go wrong with it. It's a whole different stilo coming from me, I know, but it's definitely hard. The chunky knitted sweater vibe was always in me, you feel me? I used to go thrifting back in the day. Big sweaters has always been my thing. I just couldn't do big sweaters if I was big, because there is no bigger. But what's up, baby? We back, you feel me? But yeah, chunky knitted sweater definitely hard. I'm gonna pick this up at least in another color, like black or gray. We got one more item. These are the patchwork baggy jeans. They're basically these patchwork denim, have a bunch of different patterns of denim sewn together to make a pair of pants. They came out pretty nice. I'm really interested in seeing what I'm gonna wear these with. They do look clean in general. This might low-key be my best Fashion Nova unboxing. Hey, let me know in the comments what y'all think. There was a lot of heat in this video. We got a little bit of everything. We got some some chunky knitted sweaters, some turtlenecks, puffer jacket. We got some nice ass patchwork baggy jeans, or we got skinny jeans, you feel me? We got whatever you need on Fashion Nova. Make sure you go ahead and click the link at the top of the description, because they have some heat at affordable prices, and that's the best part about it. Yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, man, leave a like on it down below. Let me know what your top 3 items that I got were. Hey, if you do want to go ahead and check out Fashion Nova, it will be at the top of the description. But leave a like if you did enjoy this haul and would like to see more Fashion Nova hauls. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below. It definitely means the world. Click them post notification bells so you're notified whenever we post a new video, you feel me? And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.